Have you ever walked into a new room, met someone for the first time, or had a conversation and suddenly felt, "Wait, I've been here before"? That strange, almost magical feeling that you're reliving a moment is called déjà vu. It's French for already seen, and it's one of the most fascinating glitches our minds can experience. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery. We'll explore why déjà vu happens, what science has to say about it, and share some mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. So, if you're ready to understand that eerie feeling a little better, stick around. First off, what exactly is déjà vu? It's that intense feeling of familiarity you get in a situation that is completely new. It's like your brain is playing a trick on you, making a present moment feel like a distant memory. This sensation is usually fleeting, lasting only a few seconds, but it can be so strong, it leaves you feeling disoriented and questioning reality. You're definitely not alone if you felt this. Studies show that about 2/3 of the population, that's roughly 60 to 70% of people, experience déjà vu at least once in their lifetime. It's particularly common among young adults and students, often peaking in our late teens and early 20s, before gradually declining as we get older. So, what's the science behind this strange phenomenon? Is it a glimpse into a past life, or just a temporary brain hiccup? Well, scientists have a few compelling theories, and none of them involve time travel, unfortunately. The first is the memory mismatch theory. This idea suggests that déjà vu is essentially a filing error in your brain's memory system. Your brain accidentally labels a new, incoming perception as an old memory. Imagine your short-term and long-term memory systems getting their wires crossed for just a split second. Your brain processes what's happening right now, but instead of filing it under new experience, it mistakenly drops it into the old memories folder, making you feel like you've seen it all before. Another popular explanation is the dual processing theory. Our brains are incredibly complex, and information often travels along multiple pathways at once to be processed. This theory proposes that déjà vu occurs when there's a tiny delay in one of these pathways. For instance, the information from your eyes might reach your consciousness a millisecond slower than another sensory input. Because one signal arrives slightly after the other, your brain interprets the delayed signal as an older, separate event, creating that false sense of familiarity. It's like watching a movie where the audio is just slightly out of sync with the video. It creates a strange, disconnected feeling. Then, there's the neurological perspective, which points to a sort of brain glitch. Some research links the experience of déjà vu to the temporal lobes of the brain, which are heavily involved in memory and emotion. It has been observed that people with temporal lobe epilepsy often report experiencing intense and frequent déjà vu right before a seizure. For the general population, this suggests that a non-harmful, momentary glitch or a tiny misfire in this same brain region could be the trigger for that fleeting feeling of having been there before. It's not a sign of a serious problem, but rather a brief, harmless quirk in our brain's complex wiring. Now for some fun facts that make déjà vu even more intriguing. Did you know that everyone experiences it differently? For some, it's a pleasant, comforting feeling, while for others, it can be quite eerie or even spooky. Your personal reaction to it is unique. Another interesting tidbit is that being stressed or overly tired might make you more prone to experiencing déjà vu. When your brain is fatigued, it's more likely to have those little processing hiccups we talked about. And here's a really cool one. People even report experiencing déjà vu in their dreams. This can make it feel like a prophecy or a premonition, adding to the mystery and capturing our imagination. Let's do a quick recap of what we've learned. Déjà vu, meaning already seen, is that uncanny feeling of familiarity in a new situation. It's likely a harmless brain glitch or a memory mix-up, not a sign you can see the future. The experience usually lasts just a few seconds and is most common in young adults. Scientists believe it's linked to how our brain processes memory and perception, with theories pointing to memory mismatches, processing delays, or minor neurological quirks in the temporal lobe. It's a normal, fascinating part of the human experience. If this video gave you that aha moment and helped you understand the mystery of déjà vu a little better, show some support for our channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you lines be notified every time we post a new video to help uncover the mysteries of the mind. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your mind curious. And watch out for those moments of déjà vu.